Hi everyone, I'm Estefania, the marketing coordinator at AllTheRooms. Welcome to our competitor tracker tool. With this tool, you can track and analyze different sets of properties to gain insights into their historical and future performance. This tool is especially helpful for monitoring your competitors. Getting started is easy. First, enter the desired area in the search bar, for example, Los Angeles. Then select the property you want to analyze from the map and click the heart icon to save it. So let's click here. Then we will save it, and then we give it a name. For example, LA4. Save it, and then we will be able to see it here. We select it, and now we have the property here. Now you will be able to see different metrics of the property selected. For example, the average daily rate, the occupancy rate, the book rate, and the future demand. If you want to view more metrics, you just have to click in View Advanced Metrics. Clicking on Advanced Metrics will bring you to a dashboard where you can perform historical and future analysis. If you want to learn more about the Future tool, please refer to our description, which includes a link to an explanatory resource. Lastly, don't forget to utilize the filtering options on the right. These filters allow you to refine your analysis and gain more specific insights by selecting the property types you want to focus on. Also remember that you can export the data as a CSV document. That concludes our video of the AllTheRooms competitor tracker tool. I hope you found it helpful. In our upcoming videos, we will delve deeper into the Explore tool. We look forward to sharing more valuable content with you soon. See you in the next video.